You're on.
Okay, we're clear, magazine and chamber, and we're on safe.
All right.
So this is the AKMS Underfolder. This one was manufactured by Izhmash Arsenal in Russia in 1977. It's stamped so on the trunnion. This is what's known in Canada as a converted automatic. It started life as a fully automatic select fire assault rifle. So it had fully automatic and semi-automatic settings on the change lever. This rifle was converted through judicious grinding, welding, and whatnot so that it fires exclusively semi-automatic now, which allowed it to be brought into Canada under the old rules as a sporting rifle. It's been prohibited in Canada since 1992, and I've been the grandfathered owner of this firearm since that time. It's a fantastic firearm. Over 90 million of these have been manufactured worldwide in the various variations and iterations. But basically, you've got a 30-round detachable box magazine.
That's a Bakelite?
This is a Bakelite version here. Yeah. And with the Bakelite pistol grip. And it is a fantastic firearm because it is incredibly reliable, extremely simple and easy to learn to use. And it's very robust. It's durable. It'll keep firing over and over and over and over again, even when it's filthy dirty, and even when it's been treated like a tent peg. It's just a fantastic firearm. The only thing it doesn't do well is it's not terribly accurate, but it's accurate enough to get the job done.
How easy is it to fold the underfolder?
Oh, very easy. It's literally a simple push of a button on the left side, and you're done.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you, Mark.
You're welcome.